What's up, everyone? Two mostly bald guys here. We got an 07 F150. We're going to replace the multi-function switch or multi-selection switch, whatever you want to call it. Your headlights, turn signals, and all that. So we're going to show you how to do that. Here's another one. The high beams don't stay on. So you flip the switch and it just turns right back off. So we got a new one that will work. So we're going to show you how to do it. What tools you'll need is 8mm socket and a 7/32, I believe. Yeah. Of course, whatever ratchet. And I can't remember. I think there's a 10mm in there somewhere. It's been a while. So first thing you want to do, you want to disconnect the battery. I've seen other videos and they don't show this, but I like to leave the battery disconnected for 10-15 minutes to let the residual charge get out of the system. So that way we've got to remove the airbag, and it doesn't take but static electricity to set those things off. So we want to let all the charge get out of there. Don't touch your ratchet to your positive side while you're doing this. Flip this out of the way. Okay. Now we're going to let it sit 10-15 minutes and then we'll go in there and start.
Let's go.
Oh, okay. New camera guy. We don't know the clicks and the whistles yet.
Yeah.
If you got one of these little things, and since you're taking this apart, it's winter time here. It's probably winter time everywhere. You're going to be cleaning your battery terminals up, so that way when you get everything put back together, you make good connection. Cold weather, kill your batteries. You don't want to be stranded at work. So back over to Blake.
All right. Get yourself a pick. And then right in here, it's kind of a pain. And then send it flying. Send it. See, now you got access to your bolt in here. It kind of goes back at an angle. I believe it might be a 10. But it goes at a backward angle. And there's one on this side, so I'll get that. And then we'll go ahead and start removing those bolts so we can pull the airbag. So you get it in there, it's kind of backward angle, 8mm. And this is removing your airbag. So I got that side loose. Since it's too loose to use a ratchet, stick the extension in there. So now we got those screws out. You just pull the airbag out. There we go. And then we got this one.
I think you can pull the gray safety tab out. No, it's not a safety. That's not a safety tab. That's holding the wires in.
There we go. Set that aside. Set that out there. Alright, so now we are going to have to take this center bolt out.
Damn it. Alright, you can edit it. Go ahead.
Your size could be different, but this is a T50, so Torx. Alrighty. Now, unless you're Incredible Hulk, we gotta get a 2-jaw puller. You give me that 2-jaw puller. It's in the toolbox.
You gotta lock it too.
Huh?
You gotta lock it too.
What do you mean?
He said
Oh,
something
grab
about...
that little safety clip. Don't lose that little safety clip. I can drive him down the road, the airbag blows up. Cause it's...
Can we not put the airbag in? Can you like take it out of the Ford thing?
No.
What?
I hate airbags.
I don't know where the pullers are.
Oh, let me turn this off.
You also have to disconnect this clip here. Just push down on the tab and pull it out. It's kind of hard at first, but once you get your little, you know, El Cheapo two-jaw puller, and get you a small one because it's got to be able to fit behind the steering wheel. I don't know if you can see that or not. Yeah, this is the only small one I got, cheapo, but it works. You just turn it and it'll eventually pop off. Okay. Oh, show this. So I use the screw bolt to put the jaw puller on so that I wouldn't mess up threads in there. So now I'm taking that bolt back out. And there goes the steering wheel. Okay, so underneath, excuse the lighting here, there is a 7/32 underneath. Oh, no, it's right here. Take this, get this screw out. And that's good. It's long-winded. There's that. Now you just push in and pull that off. Get that out of your way. Now that you got that bottom panel off, there's two more of the 7/32. So now we got those two screws out. You're gonna pick this up and slide this over your switch. And there goes your broken multifunction switch. Slide this out of the way. Now we got more 7/32 here. Let's see, we got one here.
Should only be one, and then the little, there's a clip.
Let's take that one out since I know where it's at. There's a button right there. You'll push that and pull that one out. I won't be able to do it on camera. Here, we hold that. There's that one. Now the top one here, the button's on the other side. And you pull that one out. Then right here, there's this tab. Push that in, slides out. Then you've got this plug that routes down here underneath the steering wheel. And its button is on the bottom. So you just kind of, can you see that down there?
There you go. Where's your hand at?
Right here.
Oh, it's all the way inside here.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so you pick up on the button and slide that out. And there's the old one.
Let me see that thing. Oh my god.
Okay, grab the new one.
That thing was fucked.
And so now I'm going to go ahead and route this down how it was, which it's not like it, I don't think it's that big of a deal. But that came down through here. And take that and plug that back in. Take this, slide it back in. Oops, I missed. Wrong home.
We got a rookie here. Come on.
There we go. Now plug these back in. There's the top one. I'm having a problem trying to find. I don't want to say it because I'll leave myself open for something, a comment.
My pants.
You have to delete this whole video.
I thought you deleted it already. That's why I said that.
No, I'm kidding.
Okay. Now I gotta figure out how to get this clipped back in.
Did you get that one red clip that wasn't put in?
There we go. Now put those two screws back in.
Because there.
I already switched it.
Fantastic. Now take the bottom one, and you can do whatever you want. You can do it when it's all together. Stick this in there, and then you got to get this rubber grommet for your key lined up, and then you got to try to fight these pieces to get them all popped together. It's kind of a pain. Okay, got that all together. Now I need the steering wheel. Actually, no, forgot about that. Pause the video.
Oh.
Okay, just in case we forgot to film it, but don't forget to put that screw in that holds your multifunction switch in. We did, and I had to tear this all back apart and put it back in. So now I'm putting this screw back in the bottom of the column here. Now we need the steering wheel. Now, there's a dot here. That points to the top of the steering wheel here. So, there we go. Now you take this and plug that in. And then we need the screw.
And you need that little red safety.
Yeah.
Don't lose your little red safety tab for the airbag. God only knows. You run over a set of railroad tracks to go to work and boom.
Don't record.
It over.
So the steering wheel stays back in place. I put that lever back up. Now I need the airbag.
Top of the car.
Truck.
Whatever.
I guess we do drive big trucks.
I drive big brown truck.
I drive big brown truck. What can brown do for you?
Take a bunch of empties everywhere.
That's no crap.
Did you put the... No. Don't put that thing back in there yet.
Why? What happened?
There we go.
Boom. It's in. That's what she said. Okay.
Yeah, don't forget this little safety clip here.
Yeah.
And that just slides in upside down like that. See the clip? Yep.
At the top.
And then goes right in there like so and clip.
Boom. Now your airbags don't blow up when you go over railroad tracks. I don't know if that's a real thing, but...
No.
It probably is. Ford did a good job. They circled their problem. Oh, let the comments fly. Please, everybody. I do love hearing them. Okay, now what are you doing, Blake?
I'm putting in bolts that hold the airbag on.
Okay. And those go, one goes on each side?
Yes.
Okay. One goes over here, right? Oh, I see. It's way down in there. Okay. So while Blake puts those back in, we'll be back in a minute. Okay.
Now you get your bolts in, take your covers and put them back on.
Frankenstein covers. Cover the bolts.
That one. And there's that one. Now, let's see, we gotta connect the battery again.
Yep. And then, is she done? She done at that point?
She's done.
What? What? Alright, we're gonna show you that they now work. Okay. What? High beams work again. Turn signals are back working. So, new switch, success.
Well, that's how you replace your multifunction switch or multi-selection, whatever. I'll find a link for it on Amazon if you'd like to order it off there. I believe it was around $120 something. Then I'll also find a link for his DeWalt toolkit there if you like that. Yeah, I think that's pretty well.
Yeah, pretty well it.
Sorry it's been so long since we've done a video. I got a new job.
I got hurt.
Yeah, so we haven't had any time to do this stuff, so hopefully we'll have a little bit more time now. I guess, till next time. See you guys.
See ya.